Hi guys, welcome to Dine. Today I'm gonna show you a simple mouth-watering chocolate cake recipe. So let's begin. At first, break 3 eggs into a bowl. Add half cup oil and whisk it well. Now add 1.5 cup sugar and mix it until the sugar dissolves. Now add 2 cup flour through a strainer. Then add 1 tablespoon baking powder, half tablespoon baking soda, add 3 tablespoon cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon coffee powder, 1 teaspoon salt, now mix them well. Now gradually add milk and mix them until this mixture becomes lumps free. Now take a cake mold, grease some oil on the cake mold. Then place the parchment paper and again grease some oil on top. Now pour the batter Now take a big pan, add some salt, and preheat the pan for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, place the cake mold like this. Make sure that the cake mold is placed in the middle of the pan. Then cover it for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the chocolate ganache. For that, add half cup milk, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder. Stir it. Now add chocolates, Then add 1 teaspoon coffee powder and stir this continuously. You can add milk if you need. The chocolate ganache is ready. Keep it aside. After 30 minutes, open the cover and check with a toothpick whether the cake is cooked or not. If the toothpick comes out wet, then the cake is not cooked yet. This cake is perfectly cooked. Now, take it on a plate and remove the parchment paper. Now, pour the chocolate ganache on the top of the cake. And our simple, yummy chocolate cake is ready. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.